To use Apple Pay on DHgate, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the DHgate app installed. Open the DHgate app and sign in to your account. Next, navigate to the payment page after selecting the items you want to purchase. Tap on the payment method section and select Apple Pay as your payment option. You will be redirected to the Apple Pay page where you can select the card you want to use for payment. If you have not already added a card to Apple Pay, you can do this by opening the Wallet app on your device, tapping the plus sign, and following the prompts to add your card information. Once you have selected your card, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the payment by using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After confirming the payment, you will receive a confirmation message from DHgate that your payment has been successful. To avoid any issues, make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you have sufficient funds in your account. Also, be aware of any transaction fees associated with using Apple Pay on DHgate. Using Apple Pay on DHgate provides a convenient and secure way to make payments. The service uses tokenization to keep your card information secure, and you can also use the service to track your transactions and receive notifications when a payment is made. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay on DHgate and take advantage of the convenience and security it provides. Remember to always review the payment details carefully before confirming a transaction and to keep your device and account information up to date to ensure a smooth payment process.